Capstone 1, Drought in Africa. Climate change is a critical issue that affects the duration and intensity of droughts in Africa. Not only do droughts threaten the lives of the vast majority of people, but these events also have an adverse impact on economy and continent's ecosystem. According to the recent observations, the frequency of droughts has significantly increased in western regions of Africa. It is also stated that South Africa undergoes the reduction of precipitation that may lead to desertification. The forecasts regarding environmental changes in Africa are unfavorable. According to the KMAC and KMastranandria, the southwestern regions are projected to be at the high risk to severe droughts during the 21st century and beyond. In this manner, climate change will lead to salinization of water resources, coastal erosion, and degradation of animal and natural habitat. According to recent observation, several species of seabirds have already moved from South Africa, and is expected that these species that are vulnerable to climate changes will search for more favorable conditions elsewhere. The region's agriculture and food security will face a significant challenge in the second part of the century. The rain-fed crop production, which is also too vulnerable to the climate changes, will be threatened by the high temperatures. In fact, African agriculture, as well as population, relies on this particular farming practice. In this manner, the lack of precipitation and diminishing harvest potential of crops will lead to spreading hunger. Droughts are already endemic to Africa, but the forecasts show that the frequency and intensity will increase. That is why there is a crucial need for a long-term solution to this issue. In this manner, the most reasonable decision would be the creation of union among countries of Africa so that they would assist each other during the droughts. This assistance implies provision of food and water to harmed regions. However, due to the limited financial resources, this union will also need foreign support.